Well, there we go, you see. The wind is coming from here, and yet it's blowing that way, exactly like I said, as it spins around here. What a pain in the butt. This is a species of tobacco called Mapacho. Sometimes it is called Hopi tobacco. It is times 10 nicotine. So basically, Virginia would be like, say, times 1. This is Mapacho, and it is times 10 nicotine. I have smoked this after it's been aged and cured and then stoved for 4 weeks and then re-cured, dried out and then cased. One puff in a pipe will give you nicotine sickness. So that's how strong this stuff is. Traditionally, it is used for peyote and things like that, or ayahuasca. It's like a nicotine kick that gets the DMT and all these other things to kick in faster. So the only reason I ever grew this was an experiment. It's nothing I would ever smoke, but if you ever wanted to up the nicotine in a blend, it works just fine. At this stage, it is a year old, and I will ferment it maybe next year. As you can see, the green has locked in, and the reason for that is because I was unaware of the fact that too high temperatures lock the green in, and too low temperatures, any temperature below 15 degrees Celsius, will lock the green in as well. So basically what you want to do is give the leaf about 73% humidity and way above 15 degrees, like 20, 23, 24, 30, to let it slowly cure. And it's called a slow death. It's basically where it slowly dies as opposed to drying it out too quickly and basically killing the leaf.